This video is about how to download and install Python in Windows 10. Click on the first link that appears and then download the latest version. Click on this and it will just download by itself. And once you download it, click on the exe file and run it as administration, then click next, 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 and then finish it, and everything will be fine. And when you need to use Python, then search for IDLE and this will come up, and click on this. It will take time. And 4 shift plus 5, enter. Okay, and if you need a new file, and you can write and print HCLORD. And you can hit F5. Okay. .py, and the file should be saved as .py. That is the extension for and this is it. Thank you.